Hello, good morning, lovely people. This is On Point Lotto GH. Today is Tuesday. We go again. If today is your first time of seeing this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then give us a comment. We want to grow with you people. Today is Tuesday. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. At event, this is Tuesday's paper. So on the same Tuesday paper. At event 9:39, Lotto gave us 5789. 5789. Correct counting weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, 78. Then 31 machine. 78. Then 31 machine. The following week 37. Then 1, 2, 3. A number from this line should go plus 1 and play at first box. So 37 went plus 1, played at first box. Then that number from 1, 2, 3. This number minus 123. It should play at last box of the same event. Then 67 goes to machine. Then the following week at machine. A number 29. Or at machine. A number 29 must go from 96. Must go from 96 and play at fourth box. So first box number minus 96 at fourth box. Now that's a number that went from 96. If you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks up, it will be there at winning. So a number moved from here, came to machine and went from 96. Just as a number moved from here and went plus 1 and went from 1, 2, 3. A number moved from here to machine and went from 96. After that, Lotto says the addition 96 is your too sure. Confirmation at event 9:40. Lotto gave you 5789. 89 position. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Lotto gave you 78 and 31 at machine. 78 and 31 at machine. Then the following week, Lotto said 37. Just like 31, the following week 37. So the following week, Lotto said 37. Then 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3. Lotto says a number must move from this 37 line. It's an ending 7 number. So in the first one, the only ending 7 was 37. That is why it went plus 1. But here, there are 2 ending 7s. So Lotto chose the other ending 7, 57. It went plus 1, 58. And it came to first box. That's a number minus 1, 2, 3. That's a number from 1, 2, 3 should be at last box position. So first and last box gives you addition 123. The moment the addition 123 plays, Lotto says the following week, a number must move from the 78 line. So here it moved 78 itself to machine, fourth box. Remember, the first one, it was 29 that came to first and went from addition 96. Or 29 that came and then went from 96 and it came to 4th. So 78 has already occupied the 4th box. Therefore, this from 96 should be at first box. And from 96, he gave you 18 at first box. Lotto says when you finish, this addition 96 should be your too sure. Which is 78, 18. But don't joke with the 67 because of the constant numbers it is playing. So don't joke with the 67 as well. So 67, 78, and 18. First plan. Second plan. I'm in a bit of a hurry, but don't worry. Second plan. Lotto says 64. Same Tuesday. Lotto says 64, first box. Following week, 48. Following week, 38, 85. Then the following week, the first box winning number from 78. You should play. So after the 85, 38, addition 78 has to drop at winning. The moment addition 78 drop, 75 must come to machine. Then from there, Lotto says take 22. And I'll tell you why 22. I'll show you why 22. Okay. So let's confirm this one before I show you the other one. Why I am choosing 22. So 64 at event 9:43. 64. 64. The following week, 48. The following week, 38, 85. Then the following week, Lotto says the first box number should create addition 78. The first winning number should create addition 78. The moment that addition 78 has played, 75 has to go. 75 goes to machine, then the following week, I say stake 22. Stake 22. Why am I saying stake 22? Now let us look at another plan here. Let us look at another plan from event 929. Event 929. Another plan, event 929. Event 929. Lotto says stake 73. Lotto played 73. 73. And then 37 went to machine. 37 machine. After that, Lotto gave you 18 center. 18 center. And gave you 22 at machine. And gave you 22 at machine. After that, Lotto gave you addition 78, 10, 68. Addition 70, first box number from 78. Just like this one, the first box number from 78. So this one to the first box number from 78. Then 29 goes to machine. Then after the addition 78, 75 must go to machine. 75 must go to machine. After that, Lotto says stick 22. That is why I chose 22 here. So Lotto says stick 22. But on this line, I am choosing 2266. I am choosing 2266. Why am I choosing 2266? So don't joke with the 66 on that line as well. Why? Now the reason is that Lotto plays 18 at center. Lotto plays 18 at center. Before that, you let me confirm the second one, then I will show you the third one. So the second one, Lotto gave us 73. Here. 73. Then 37 went. Following week, 18 center. 22 went. After the 22 went, the first box number from 78 on the line, addition 78. Then 29 went. After that, 75. So when you finish, Lotto says stick 22. Now, I am not playing with the 66 because of this plan. Let's go back to this one. You see, 18 played at center position. 1, 2, 3 weeks, 75 machine. When we are going up, 1, 2, 3, 75 machine. If you come and confirm 18 center, 1, 2, 3, the 75 has come. So if you are going up and down, the same numbers that are there came. Now, after the 75, Lotto says 66. After the 75, Lotto says 66. That is why I am not joking with the 66. So you can add the 66 to it as well. Now let's move on to the other plan. The other plan. Yes. The last plan. Now, Lotto at event the same Tuesday. The year is 2024. At event 865. At event 8. The papers are plenty, don't mind me. At event 865. Lotto gave us 85 last box position. Followed by a group 3. A group 3. Take note of this number, group 3. Now, the group 3 will be carrying a certain number. Here it was 77. Here it was 77. Here it was 77. Then, let's confirm and see. So here, at event 938, Lotto gave you 85 last box position. 85 last box position. As you can see, it's there. Followed by a group 3, 21. A group 3, 21. The group 3 will be carrying a certain number, 38. The group 3 will be carrying a certain number. So here, the 77 here is also the same as the 38 here. So anything this 77 will do, this 38 has to also do it. And anything this 84 will do, this 84 group 3 will do, this 21. This 21 here, this 21 here has to do the same. Okay, now let's get back to the plan. Now in the first one, the 2024 own, you realize that after the 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Correct counting weeks, which is 7 weeks. After the 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. The number on top of the 84 jumped. And then the 84 counted to machine 4th box and made single one. After 7 weeks. Let's come and confirm. So after 7 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number on top of the 21 jumped 38. And then the 21 counted to machine 4th box 66. 66 and played with single one. Played with single one. Now, the moment, let's go back again. The moment that 77 jumped, and then the group 3 counted to machine and played with single one, this 77 also split into 2. How? So a number from this machine numbers would go from the 71 and then constantly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks up, the difference will be there. So on this line, the 77, 14 went from 77, and the answer was 63. That is why the 63 was here. Take note of this. So when you come here, the moment the 38 also jumped, a number on this line, 22, will go from the 38. It will give you 16. If the 16 is real, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 16 was there. The 16 was there. Take note of it carefully. So here, the 63 here represents the 16 here. And then the 14 here is represented by the 22 here. Okay. After that, let's go up there. After that, Lotto says that the moment it does this and then the 77 jumped, constantly your 85 must turn to 58 first box and meet an ending 9 at machine first box. Confirmation. Lotto says after the 38 jumped, your 85 must turn to 58 first box and meet ending 9 at first box machine. After this, Lotto says that then your ending 9 here is your banker the following week after the 58. Stake it with 23. Where from the 23? So from the 58, 1, 2, 3, 4. A number at center position. Remember, this is position. This is position. This is position. Therefore, a number here, position, center, will jump to second box and play with this ending 9 that moves after the 58. So when you come to current, after the 58, and then the ending 9 goes to first box, the ending 9 has to come out as your banker and stake it to a 64. Why? If you count from the 58, 1, 2, 3, 4, center box number 64, center, must jump to second box number and play with the ending 9. Perfect. Position. Let's go back again. Perfect. Position. The moment it does this, Lotto says, you see the addition, this number that split into 2, the top one is your banker. The down one, can't tie it. Top one, down one, can't tie it. Come here. So it was 38 here. The 77 was 38 here. The 38 split into 22, 16. Now the 16 is your banker. Maintain it. 16. Just like the 63. But the 22, you counter it to 67. Counter it to 67. But my dear friends, I want you to take a quick note of something here. 68 here and 14 here gives you addition 77. The same thing, 10 here on the same line and 67 gives you addition 77. Therefore, don't forget 10, 22 because anything at all can happen. Anything at all can happen. Okay, so today, these are our numbers. This is my 2 sure, my 3 direct, my long perm. Lucky Tuesday. If you need my number, this is my number. So you can show appreciation of any kind. Little that you put in would help us do this video more and more. Your comments are also welcomed. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.